Hi everyone, Colin here and welcome back to another aquarium video. In today's video I wanted to show you something I see each week when I do a water change on this aquarium, and I really like the way that this looks. So I've put a video together to show you, and each time I do a water change once a week I get a little bit of a show, and that is with duckweed, and it makes a duckweed snow globe which looks really cute. So I do enjoy watching this for a little while until the new water goes in, and hope you enjoy it. So sit back, relax, listen to some music, and this is duckweed snowing. And there you see my duckweed snowstorm. If you enjoy aquarium videos, why not click that notification bell and also subscribe. And we'll see you on another aquarium video coming up.